Assalamu alaikum viewers, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to tell you about the unique converter, Wondershare unique converter. It is a software and it is a computer based software as well as the mobile based or the phone based software. Uh, it has a different version, okay, like pro version, simple version and VIP version. But the very simple, this is the very new and updated software. It has different options over here, like the conversion. If you want to convert your file into the mp4 or the different file options, like if you want to upload your file or music or the movie into YouTube or any other social media, then it has the different options over here, and you can also merge your all videos over also here. So I'm going to, firstly you have to add this add over here, okay, any file from your desired folder, and after that you may implement amendments over it. Like I have selected this file over here and then go to open option. Then it will take some couple of seconds and minutes to be downloaded over there. Now you can see options over here. You can trim your video, you can crop your video, and there are the different multiple options over here, like convert, remove, play, and media information, open file location, and all of that. After that it has when you are going to add some subtitle, then this will ask you, it's up to you that if you want to add subtitle into your video, then you can go to add option, okay, and after that you can add your subtitle in your video. And English advanced, this is actually the audio track combination. And if you want to trim your video, then it will simply go to over here, okay, and here are the different sessions. You can add our session over here, fine, and then go to cut. Like I am going to, you have to over here, okay, this cut, you simply have to add that location you want to cut, okay, and then delete option and okay. It will cut your desired session that you want that it should not be included in your video. Then you can simply go to the cut and select your segment of the session over there from time limit, okay, one like for example the 1 second to 10 second, and after that you will go to delete option. Now you can also crop your video. This is actually the original and this is the output review, okay, and you can see over here, like I'm going to crop my video like this. You can see that the output over here, okay. Then go to OK option. Before that you can also select over here the aspect ratio or the crop area size or the different rotations over here. And then if you don't want to crop your video, if you think that you have done wrong or you have another option, okay, then you simply go to OK. And here are the different options over here, like effect. You can also use the different effect over here that may enhance your video collection, okay, and the video enhance, auto enhance. You can also check in and watermark. When it's going to watermark, then you can add your watermark to this app. This is a very well and this is a very easy to use and friendly software. You can also just add your watermark into your video, and you can also select your transparency over here. If you want, if you have if you added your watermark into your video, then you can also select over its transparency, that how it should be transparent to your video, okay. You can also add subtitle over here, and after that you can also choose their color, that what color of your subtitle should be, its style, its transparency, position, and all of that. Before doing anything, and you have to select whatever option you want, and after that you may have to click on OK. That then this will cause your changes to be saved. Okay, and you can also choose audio option, like it will increase your video volume. Like if you if you think that your video is not audible to your audience, then you can also increase your volume over here and apply to all and okay. So this is the video. Okay, once you have done everything, you can just convert it. Okay, how to convert, like you have the different options over here, that in which format you want to convert, like video. This is the different options over here, like TS, TRP, MGG, and these are for the movies and the different for uploading on Facebook, Vimeo, Instagram. It has a variety of options over here, and you have variety of collections of options over here that you may select and enhance your video display, your video audio, your video watermark effects and all of that. You can also choose audio over here, like your video quality and device, okay, over which you want to convert. Fine. And after that you will click on convert. I have selected the UPHD 720p. Now this page will appear, and it will show you that are you using the free trial, or you may log in into its original website. This is actually the original and the Wondershare Unique Converter software. But if you have a video that have time limit exceeds like 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour, then you have two options over there. Either you may continue to your trial version, or you can see prices over here and then may log in. So I have the trial version, so I'll go with continue trial, and after being done all of that process, it will be converted into my desired option. Okay, and after that we will look over here that what has done. So let's wait for that time. Now it's almost like to be completed within a couple of seconds. Kindly subscribe my channel to get more videos and to learn about more softwares. Okay, now you can see that your video has been converted. It means here the success button and the success logo has been done. It means that you want your changes that has done by you. Okay, so go to the converted option. So here you can see that your file has been changed. Okay, and now you can go to your you can also click over here and rename your folder, or you can go to your file location, okay, the desired folder over where it has been stored. Okay. And you can also share over here, and you should also add to transfer, because when you are going to add to transfer, then it will okay, one item are waiting to be transferred to your device. It means that you can also transfer your video, your desired file to your device. Okay, whatever the device is, whether it is a laptop, whether it is a desktop, any kind of desktop, flash drives, and different kind of phones. It has also one option more, that is a toolbox, like having the different things over here. You can see that the image converter, you can also convert your image over here, media database, VR converter, GIF maker. You can also do this. Okay, and you can also screen do recording over here also. Thank you so much for watching my video. Hope you enjoyed. Kindly like, share, subscribe and comment, as your feedback is needed. Thank you so much.